Think vegan baking is dry, flat, and flavorless? Think again. Today I'm showing you how Veganize Baking makes plant-based treats taste amazing. This guide by Elaine Perry packs 100 plus dairy-free and egg-free recipes that taste just like traditional baking, sometimes even better. You get a full pantry checklist, simple step-by-step instructions, and techniques that actually explain why vegan baking works, not just follow the recipe stuff. From blueberry muffins to apple pie and rich chocolate cakes, most recipes take just 15 to 20 minutes of prep. No complicated ingredients, just practical, delicious, plant-based baking. It's beginner-friendly, affordable, and perfect if you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or simply want healthier swaps without losing taste. And yes, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or simply want guilt-free desserts that actually taste good, this guide is definitely worth checking out. Check the link below to try Veganize Baking.